Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing my best moments working at Lantana College of Hospitality, the best hospitality school in Enugu. Yes, and this is me, Chef Susulicious. Ooh. Yeah, these are my students during their examinations, and this is my supervisor, the best chef, Chef Lizzie. Trust me, she's good. I know a lot of good chefs, but she's good. So these are my students during their examination, very focused, very determined students, and Chef Lizzie also very motherly. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you pictures, yes, so for you to feed your eyes of the products we've made at Lantana College of Hospitality. So enjoy. In anything that you do, if you ever need saving, I will be running to you, running to you. I'll be running to you, running to you. Anywhere that you go. Thanks for watching.